They walk alone, heavy, silent, watching. Every step is a whisper of power. Every breath, a warning from nature itself. The face of innocence, a mask of death. Bears appear calm, almost cute, but their muscles hide a force capable of snapping a human spine in seconds. Their slow movements aren't laziness, it's calculation, patience before violence. A bear's nose is 7 times stronger than a bloodhound's. It can detect a dying animal from over 30 kilometers away. To them, scent is language, and death is the message. Despite their weight, bears can sprint at 50 kilometers per hour. They don't chase often. When they do, nothing escapes. Polar bears are the only mammals known to actively hunt humans. In the Arctic silence, they stalk their prey for hours, waiting for the wind to carry their scent away before striking from behind. Scientists discovered bears remember faces, scents, and locations for years. Wound one, and it remembers you. Forever. Forever. A grizzly bear's paw swipe generates over 1,200 pounds of force. One hit can decapitate prey, and it doesn't roar before it attacks. It exhales. Quietly. When food runs low, bears turn on their kind. Mothers have been seen devouring their own cubs. A survival instinct that has no mercy. No mercy. In Alaska and Russia, bears often walk the same trails as humans. At night. They know our smell, our habits. We walk home blind, never realizing who followed. Polar bears can swim for hundreds of kilometers without rest. One was tracked swimming for 9 straight days, losing her cub in the frozen waves. But she didn't stop. The Arctic demands monsters, and she became one. During hibernation, bears' hearts slow to 8 beats per minute. Yet their bodies don't decay, their muscles don't weaken. Science still struggles to explain how they do it. They are not villains, they are balance. But remember, when nature chooses to speak again, it might not be with words.